Well, I can tell you, I've been to numerous doctors, lung specialists, ear, nose, and throat, some different lung specialists. I've had MRIs, I've had CAT scans of my lungs. Everything showed negative, nothing wrong with my breathing. Some doctors say was in my head. Some doctors say I have panic attacks. I've had doctors give me prescriptions of Xanax and said that would help me because I'm obviously having a panic attack. Well, let me tell you something. When you can't breathe, you will have a panic attack. So, like I said, after I had this done, couldn't tell much in the first few minutes, but the next morning, when I go to do my regular chores, feeding the horses, feeding all the animals in the pasture, walking all the way back to the house, I was out of breath, but I was able to catch my breath the first time in years. I usually have to sit down, take a breather for 30 minutes to be able to catch a breath. I can catch a breath within 2 to 3 breaths. I caught a full breath. And right after I did that, I was no longer dizzy. I was more alert. I was not incoherent. Nothing was fuzzy. I could think better. I can actually sleep better. I don't sleep with my mouth open. I can actually breathe through my nose. I actually almost feel air coming through the back of my throat, which my chest is no longer tight. Can you imagine sleeping and feeling somebody sitting on your chest? Well, you don't notice it during the day, but when you're trying to sleep, it makes a big difference. The only thing I can say is this procedure done what nobody else could do. I even went to ear, nose, and throat. You would think that they would have caught that, but no. I actually didn't come in here for breathing problems. I came in here for dental work, which is ironic. And now we've solved something else, which is great. I'm looking forward to more activity. Actually, I'm looking forward to getting on a treadmill, which I haven't in a couple of years, and I think I can do it.
Wonderful.
Absolutely. Like I said, trust me, I was very skeptical after going to multiple doctors. In fact, I didn't think this would work. But the next day, I noticed something was happening.
Wonderful.
So, I mean, it worked for me.